Tired of sifting through endless online courses, wondering which ones are actually worth your time and money? Today, we're diving deep into Dropcourse to see if it lives up to the hype. We'll explore the platform from top to bottom, starting with course quality. We'll analyze the video and audio production values, the depth of the content, and how well it aligns with learning objectives. Are the courses actually teaching you something valuable and applicable? Next, we're cracking open the pricing structure. We'll compare Dropcourse's pricing to other platforms, evaluating whether it offers good value for the money. Are there hidden fees or are discounts available? User experience is key. We'll test the platform's navigation, search functionality, and overall usability. Is it easy to find what you need and learn comfortably? Instructor expertise matters. We'll look at the instructors' backgrounds, qualifications, and teaching styles. Are they experts in their fields and can they effectively convey knowledge? Finally, we will assess the potential return on investment. Can Dropcourse skills help you advance your career, earn more money, or achieve your goals? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of whether Dropcourse is the right investment for you. So, stick around.